Hi everyone, welcome to DevHacks 360. I'm Vasyl, and today we will diving into one of the most common headaches in a Playwright testing, forgetting to add an evade. Don't worry, I will show you how to solve this problem quickly using Linter and share some tips to make sure your test is solid rock. Let's get started. So on the left hand side, I have my test prepared for you, and it's basically simple as that. It's checking if the car button is visible for book now. Right, and let's run this test. I will clear my terminal, and just like that, we'll run with the debug mode. So you can see it's instantly suggesting to make a screenshot, right? But for some reason, we are not there we actually performed nothing, we just loaded our test. So on the test failed. And obviously, you already understand that we are missing an evade here. So let's retest it once again. Go to, and now our test is passed. Fix as simple as that, but imagine spending hours or days trying to find out why your test isn't working. So we won't need this page anymore. Let's make this bigger. So in this project, I have already ESLint prepared, right? But to actually make it properly catch the missing awaits, we need to add one additional simple rule. As you can see, there is some rules added already. We need one more. So let's actually add TypeScript, ESLint, and what we need is actually no floating promises. My copilot is suggesting it for me. And another one, we would actually need to perform the parser here. I have my TS config here, so you would be able to copy paste it and use it in your own projects. So we would need to add the parse option, and of course Copilot is suggesting to do it for me. Let's have it here. And right now I just want to make sure that if I forgot to wait, the ESLint actually is helping me to fix it. Let's clear this one, and instantly, just like that, the ESLint suggested me to fix it. And of course we can fix it. Don't worry about only, because I configured this project not to allow only on a CI. So this is where the ESLint and the Playwright save the day. So with a simple setup, you can catch these issues before running your test. So and just like that, the issue is gone, and your tests are stable again. Simple, right? If you want to dive deeper into Playwright and master the test automation, check our full course at Engenious University. You will learn advanced techniques and supercharge your testing workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy testing!